Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron na naman tayo mathematical question na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains High School Division Difficult Round Batch 1994. Here's the question. 17 students graduate from high school out of every 20 who enroll in the senior year. 7 out of every 10 who graduate go to college. What percent of the students who enroll in the senior year finally enter college? So what we're going to do now, we will eliminate the number of students to its percentage para makuha natin ang exact answer kung what is the percentage of the students who entered college. Maraming method yan para makuha natin ang percentage. Pero may method here is the large sampling. What do you mean? Let's assume na merong 100 students na nag-enroll ng senior year. Since 100 ang pinakamadali para makuha natin kaagad ang percentage. So there's no need to convert the decimal or the fraction sa percentage. So let's take 100 students who enrolled in the senior year. Okay? First, tingnan natin. 17 out of every 20 graduates from high school. Okay? So we will bring down 17 over 20. I-multiply natin sa number of students na nag-enroll, which is 100. So let's just simply put imaginary 1 here. So 100 times 17 will be 1,700, and 20 times 1 is 20. Then we will just cancel out the 0, kaya ang kalabasan dito ay 170 over 2. Then we will divide this by 170 sa 2.
2,000 years later.
So it means 85 students out of 100 ang nakagraduate from the senior year. E paano naman kung ilan nag-enter ng college? Sabi rito, 7 out of every 10 ng 85 students ay naka-enter ng college. So what we're going to do, we will multiply 85 sa 7 over 10. Then let's put imaginary 1 once again. So we will multiply 85 sa 7, so 595 over 10. By simply cancelling out the 0 and place the decimal point dito, pa left. Kaya the answer of the percentage here ay 59.5%. I hope we learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.